Hello everyone, this is Sia from Shiksha number 1 and I am your teacher for general knowledge and current affairs. So today the topic that we are going to cover is cryptocurrency, its types, its future, its bright side and its challenges. Now let us learn what is cryptocurrency. So basically cryptocurrency is a digital or a virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure, create and control its transaction. So it's not like traditional currency and it's basically not issued by bank. जैसे for traditional currencies we have centralized banks. So cryptocurrency is an independently operating currency and does not have any central monetary authority. Now let us learn about the rise of cryptocurrency. So basically the traditional methods of currency, the people need a middleman to transfer money from one place to another. So basically if I have to give you money, a large amount of money, so I will transfer it to you through the banks. मैं आपको banks के through वो money transfer करूँगी. But here in cryptocurrency आप individually किसी को भी money दे सकते हैं and you don't need a middleman for that. There are many types of cryptocurrencies. So the first cryptocurrency that was noticed was the Bitcoin, which came into existence in 2019. There are many other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin and many more. So basically cryptocurrencies can be exchanged for other currencies for products and services and in exchange of currency as well. It can be exchanged as a currency. Now let us learn about what is Bitcoin. So basically Bitcoin uses a blockchain technology and every transaction of the particular coin are connected like a chain. So basically there's a chain between every transaction because every Bitcoin has a unique code and it is connected like a chain. So the name blockchain technology is given because the transactions of a particular coins are connected and they are stored as blocks. So it is called a blockchain technology. And the details that a Bitcoin gives are given in the public ledger, which everyone can check. For every coin we can know the transaction for its exchange. Like every coin has its unique code as I told you earlier, and the transaction of its exchange can be checked through it. Now let us see what are the benefits of cryptocurrency and like what is the bright future of cryptocurrency. So basically the first benefit is the security. Now the cryptocurrency transactions are completely anonymous. A person can only know the address of crypto on which the payment has been sent or received. So आपको खुद ही पता होगा अगर आपने जो एड्रेस पे भेजा है या जिससे आपको मिल रहा है, so only you will know about it and no one else. So it is very secured. And second is transaction fees. Now as we know that traditional methods require banks for sending or receiving money. So banks do take some commission, do take some part of your money in order to send or receive money. So in cryptocurrency there is no middleman for that and the transfer fees is saved. So basically it's economical, it's more economical. No need for currency exchange. Now we go to some different countries and we have to get our currency exchanged for some like for example we have to get our currency exchange in dollars or rupees. So there is no need for that if we have cryptocurrency because there is no need of exchange of currency in that particular currency. And the benefit, it is a benefit for the economically weaker countries. So it is a benefit for the countries that are economically weak because cryptocurrency can be a good alternative for that because weak economies result in fall of currency value. So the currency value, the currency जो वहाँ पे है जैसे सपोज डॉलर है और रुपीज़ है, तो अगर वो वैल्यू फॉल होगी तो क्रिप्टो करेंसी की वैल्यू इज गोना बी द सेम लाइक फॉर एवरीवन. सो एक स्पेसिफिक कंट्री पे इट वोंट अफेक्ट मच. So this is the bright side of the cryptocurrency. These are the advantages of cryptocurrencies that we can see. Now that we have looked at the bright side of cryptocurrency, there are some dangers or we can say disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Let us learn about that. So first is dangerous anonymity. What is that? Now dangerous anonymity means that when we are like for example we are transferring money like the traditional form of money we are transferring them through banks. So we know the purpose or the use that where they are going, and ट्रेडिशनल मनी का इतना इलीगल मिसयूज़ नहीं हो सकता है, एंड अगर वो होता है तो हम उसको बहुत जल्दी उसको पता हमें चल जाता है. लेकिन फॉर क्रिप्टो करेंसी वो बहुत इलीगल चीज़ों के लिए मिसयूज़ हो रहा है. सो लाइक इलीगल चीज़ें लाइक ड्रग डीलिंग एंड ऑल. So this is a disadvantage of cryptocurrency. Now the second disadvantage is no regulatory body. So in case like it's like when we are transferring a traditional form of currency in to some other bank or anything, so we have a regulatory body that is transferring our money. But in the case of cryptocurrency, there is no centralized body that is transferring our money. So if we lost our virtual coins, we cannot really retrieve them. So that is a disadvantage for cryptocurrency. Now the third disadvantage is the safety of the currency. So if we, for example, send our cryptocurrency to the wrong person, so we cannot get them back, we cannot trace them back. Wherein in the traditional money we can trace them back, we can cancel the check, we can do many things so that the transfer is not continued anymore. But in the case of cryptocurrency we cannot do that, because there's no middleman, that is there's no centralized body that is transferring our money. This is an individually independent body that is transferring our money, so it is very difficult or impossible to get our money back if we have sent it to a wrong person. Now the last is acceptance by the people as well as the countries. Now there are many people that are accepting cryptocurrencies, and there are like many countries that are accepting cryptocurrencies. They want to buy cryptocurrency, they want to buy bitcoins, but there are many countries that are not buying cryptocurrencies. Even for cryptocurrencies, there are many cryptocurrencies, as we have seen Ethereum and Bitcoin and Litecoin, we know. And so it's like only Bitcoin is like ऐसे कि सिर्फ Bitcoin लोग खरीदना चाह रहे हैं, not the Ethereum. So it's not really scaling that much. So that is also a disadvantage of cryptocurrency. Now let us jump to the conclusion of cryptocurrency. So if cryptocurrency evolves with the evolving technology, there is a possibility that it might solve the loopholes of people and the value increases, then it can be a great competition to the financial institutions that are there in the present times, and people might switch from the traditional money to bitcoins and other forms of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept very well. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to Shiksha Number 1. You can download the app, and yeah, all the best for your exams.